Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. My name is Chase, and today we have from Savage UTV the Revolve spare tire mounted storage. And there's two versions that we're going to show you. There's a standard version right here, but then they also have the Revolve with the BOXO toolkit. So we're going to talk about these two today. We'll talk about the different features and help you decide which one might be best for you. But if you are looking for a good place to put one or even two spare belts on your side-by-side, along with some tools and be able to customize and carry other items inside here, this could be a really good option. Now the actual case itself is built really well. It's made from a 1680 denier fabric, which is nice and heavy duty, great abrasion resistance. It's a molded case, so it holds its shape well. The zipper on the outside is weather resistant, just to keep dirt, dust, water, mud, whatever out of the inside. And you do have 3 handles on this thing, so plenty of locations to grab this thing when you're using it. Now I do want to point out, as far as the mounting goes, so you notice in the title it said spare tire mounted. The way that Savage UTV kind of drew this up was to mount on top of your spare tire, so on top of the outer ring, underneath your Y-strap. Now I know that some people might not have that type of spare tire carrier. You might have one that just bolts on using lug nuts. You don't have to mount it up that way with the Y-strap. If you want to put this in a storage box that you might have in your side-by-side, in the back seat, wherever, you can mount this up however you want to, but that's kind of how they drew it up. But if you do have a Y-strap, hey, you're gonna be good to go. And they also do have these Velcro straps that will come included. So these are just for a little bit of added security. So in case your Y-strap were to come loose, you do have these Velcro straps, again, just to hold this in place a little bit better. But here's what you're getting when you buy this. We're gonna start with the standard version, and then we'll get to the one that has the BOXO toolkit. So if I open this up, inside here, you've got your lid, and you do have a mesh compartment right here. Again, get creative. You can put whatever you want inside here. I was thinking maybe some gloves, some other items like that, some rags, whatever. But then inside here, you're going to have 2 layers of this nice thick EVA foam. And what's cool about this is that you notice that you actually have 3 different cutouts. You've got this large centerpiece here, but then you have an inner and an outer ring. And they say that these are gonna work for the majority, basically all your major UTV brands and their spare belts. So what you can do is you buy your spare belt, and if your spare belt is a larger one, what you would do is you would just take out this outer ring and you put your spare belt along the outside. But if say your spare belt's just a little bit smaller than that, what you could do is just take out this second ring and put your spare belt inside that one. What's also nice too is that there's 2 layers of this foam. So if I take this one out, there's a second layer underneath that. So you can do a spare belt here on this bottom layer, and you can do a spare belt here on the outer layer. But what's nice though is that being that it is a good, high quality, thick EVA foam, you can also go through and customize this. If you want to go through and do custom cutouts, talking things like a first aid kit, a toe strap, an impact driver even, or just recovery gear, you can go through and cut out this foam and customize it exactly how you want it to be. So again, that's the standard version, a couple belts, and whatever else that you feel that you want to put inside here. From there, you jump over to the same case, same construction, but it has the BOXO toolkit. So Savage UTV teams up with BOXO. BOXO is known for making nice, high-quality tools and components. Here's the tools that will come included. If you need to change a wheel out on the trail, you're gonna have a 16-inch breaker bar with an extension with a 17 and a 19-inch socket, deep sockets. And then, if you need to change a belt on the trail, you're gonna have this utility knife, which is actually kind of cool because you can just flip a little switch. You can either use a hook or the utility blade. So you can use that to maybe get some shards out of there. Same goes for the needle nose pliers. But then you also have this ratchet drive T-handle with an extension, and you're gonna have a T30, a T40, a 1310, and an 8mm socket. So the tools that you need to get your cover off and then change your belt. But here's what you do need to know is that with this, it does not come with the belt removal tool. So you're either going to use the OEM removal tool that came with your side-by-side, or if you do have an aftermarket one, you can see you've got these big cutouts here on the side. You can put it inside there. Or just like with the standard one, if I were to take this upper piece out with the tools, there's another layer of that foam underneath. So you could go in there, and just like I talked about, you could do custom cutouts to put other items underneath these. So again, you just get creative, you figure out what you want to have inside this, and you can go add those and do that custom cutout. So it just gives you a lot of versatility. Again, you can take this out and put your spare belt underneath that, and you have everything you need and you're ready to rock and roll. So those are the two options. You just have the standard Revolve spare tire mounted storage, and then you have the Revolve with the BOXO toolkit. So depending again on what your needs are, if you want to have all your tools in one location, this is a great way to do it. If you do have questions or comments, however, we would love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab one, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are going to ship for free. All orders over $75 due. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest product spotlights from Rocky Mountain, like the one you just saw, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that will always keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.